Let's go home. Are you ready? Yes. Let's go. Mom is outside. Okay. Mom is waiting. Okay. Mia? Hi, Mom.
Hi, Leo. Where is Mia?
I thought she was with you.
Where is Mia?
I don't know.
Let's find her.
Mia! Where are you? We have to find her. Is Mia here?
No.
Let's keep looking.
Mia! Where are you? Mia is missing.
Don't worry, we'll find her. Let's search together. Let's look inside.
Mia! Where are you?
Keep looking.
Maybe Mia is in the library.
Let's check.
Good idea.
Mia! Leo! There you are. I was worried about you. I'm sorry.
It's okay. You're safe.
It's okay, Mia. I was very worried. I'm okay.
Let's go home.
Okay. Let's go! Thank you, Leo.
You're welcome.
Let's go home.